Lab benches. Types and uses. The contents of this video is everything you need to know about lab benches and their use. You will learn: what is a lab bench? Types of lab benches. How lab benches are made. Common uses for lab benches. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a lab bench? Chapter 2. What are the different types of lab benches? Lab bench classification. Classification by function. Functional classifications are based on the type of lab work a bench supports and include physical lab benches, chemical lab benches, biological lab benches, classification by structure. Floor-mounted lab benches. Suspended lab benches. Mobile lab benches. Classification by purpose. Island benches. Side benches. Sink benches. Reagent racks. Traditional lab benches. Custom laboratory workbenches. Benefits of custom lab workbenches. Adaptability. Integrated storage. Comprehensive planning. Space efficiency. Task optimization. Utility integration. Aesthetics and morale. Electrostatic dissipative bench. Mobile lab benches. Wall-mounted lab benches. Dry lab benches. Wet lab benches. Ergonomic lab benches. Injury prevention. Comfort and efficiency. Cost savings. Adaptability. Common features of ergonomic laboratory benches. Laboratory tables. Leveling glides. Adjustable shelving. Book compartments. Fixed shelving. Locking cabinets. Height adjustment. Organizational compartments. Vibration isolation lab tables. Chapter 3. What are the common methods for constructing lab benches? Countertops. Epoxy resin. Phenolic resin. Stainless steel. . Polypropylene. Electrostatic dissipative countertop. High-pressure laminate. Ceramic. Lab bench frame materials and construction methods. Steel frames. Aluminum frames. Wood frames. Key factors and best practices in lab bench selection. Key purchasing criteria include frequently asked questions. What differentiates wet lab benches from dry lab benches? Which countertop materials are most suitable for harsh laboratory environments? How do mobile lab benches benefit modern laboratories? What are the advantages of custom laboratory workbenches? Why are vibration isolation lab tables important for precision research? What features make a lab bench suitable for cleanroom or clinical use? Chapter 4. What is the typical structure of a lab bench? Lab bench frame types. C-type frame. H-type frame. Cantilever frame. Suspended frame. U-type frame. Chapter 5. What accessories are commonly used with lab benches? LED lighting. Monitor arms. Keyboard tray. power manifold, or power strip. Shelves. Cupboards. Storage cubbies. Fume hood. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right lab bench manufacturers for your needs.